Hello to all my virtual friends. Once again, you are most welcome to my not so big channel. As I'm editing today's episode, I have 14 faithful subscribers. Thank you all. My name is Marco and I'm the film crew, editor, mechanic and driver of all my builds. I have young but talented art director, but I'll tell about him later. Today we are doing stripe down for electronics and front brakes. I start by taking start relay off and unplugging all wires from battery tray connectors. Some of the connectors wear quite tight, so I used screwdriver to drive them out. After wires are removed, we can take battery tray out from the frame and remove rear brake light wiring. Next we start to remove handlebar switches, levers and grips. Both of the switches have 3 screws that needs to be opened. Clutch and front brake levers are held by 2 bolts. To remove clutch cable, you have to remove lever screw that holds lever in place. After that, remove cable from lever and screw cable out from lever frame. Before removing front brake lever, I empty the brake fluid from reservoir and then I remove brake line. After that's done, we can remove brake lever. After switches and levers are removed, we can take off handlebar that is held by 4 bolts. Don't forget to loose choke cable. Headlight is removed by taking off 2 small screws and twisting the lens. Behind lens is more wire connectors that needs to unplug to remove front light housing. Housing is held with 2 bolts. After opening them you can take housing and remove wires. Instrument panel is held in place with 2 bolts, and at least in my case I managed to break them both, so go easy with them. Ignition lock is held with 2 bolts too. Next stop is ignition coils, that are connected to frame with 2 bolts. Remember to unplug wire connector 2. After this we can remove wiring loom from frame. Front brake calipers, we have to open 2 bolts from calipers. After that we can gently slide the off from rotors. Front fender is held in place with 4 bolts, and after opening them you can slide fender off from frame. Last but not least, I took the RPM cable and plugged cable hole. That is all teardown for now. And before I remove engine, tires or anything else, I have to do all modifying for frame, seat and fuel tank to get better view of the end result. If you want to see how badly that will go, hop on to next episode and maybe subscribe to channel.